sleek gun right here at Houston Muffler Shop. Y'all need some? Hit them up. Lolo. They got that blue around. Alright guys, see how it sounds. A ver qué tal. Hell yeah, that bitch sound different. Bitch is low, man. Dale, 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 está bien, está bien, está bien. You're good, dale, dale. They sound nice.
Aún estoy en donde quiero, pero sé que no estoy lejos. Pasos siempre serán pasos, sean grandes o pequeños.
Con la sopita maruchan.
Vamos a ver.
Vamos. Say what up to the vlog. Hey B. Say what up to the vlog. El Wazón. Y el otro Wazón. ¿Quién es un niño bonito? Alright, you record then.
Oh, Alex record. He's a recorder. You get a drink.
¿Cuánto dura este pedo?
You can't answer there. You have to go get the point first. It's your first time doing this work?
¿Dónde chinga va a cambiar las cosas?
Over here, ¿no? ¿Dónde estaban estos?
¿Dónde se cambian las cosas aquí, oiga? ¿Dónde cambian las cosas? Ah, aquí.
Nada, la tienen tapada.
No, a lo mejor la de aquí sí. La otra estaba tapada. No, no, sí.
Unos $5.
Ay, come
Ey, a ver tú.
Here. Cut that out the vlog.
Hey, bro, how tall are you, bro?
Like 6'3".
See?
I'm barely touching 6 foot.
Nah, you're 6'1".
Nah, you're like 6.
You're like 6'1".
Yeah,
Yeah,
you're
because I was
already
5'11".
Aren't you taller than Navy?
Yeah.
Same
Look
size.
at Navy. Oh, no, es que está sideways.
Yeah.
Back
You're taller
then.
than me. Wait, damn, I shrink. Wait, no, espérate. a ver.
Back then, who they didn't want me.
Back then, hoes didn't want me.
Una troca.
Nadie diga nada de esto.
¿Qué pasó, panito? So I don't know if y'all ever gone to a car wash, but if y'all haven't, wax, clear, foam, rinse, brush, soap, pre-soap. You don't want none of that. You just want the soap and the rinse.
A ver, Ey, Vic, quédate la camisa.
I mean, so just to let y'all know, because I never tell them what the hell I'm doing. So just to let y'all know, right now, we just came to drive my brother's truck just to see. He's having an issue with the brakes. Whenever he steps, it's not when he brakes. Whenever he steps on it, he hears like a raspando sound. If that makes any sense. So right now we just came to drive it around to see if we can hear that noise. Try to tell what it is. We too broke, bro. We can't pay to, you know. But anyways, so as we're driving around, we were like, you know what? Let's give it a little wash. Give y'all a little bit more content. Just to have a video upload so I can see what's going on. So what you're asking me right now, what you just said.
But how's life?
So I don't know if y'all know where we're at, but if you point the camera over there just real quick. Alright, bring it back. So that's Springwoods High School. Ghetto ass motherfucking school. I went there for about a day and I said, fuck that.
Fuck that school. Hell yeah.
Get back to the truck. I ain't got a car wash. Ya no venía a agarrar a car wash. Lo voy a lavar yo solo.
Right. Well, the cheapest is like $6 for a car wash, and that's how much you're gonna use right now.
Alright, so right now we just did two. Did I record when I put the $2 in or not?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're at $4.
Here's one way, Willie. Depends what you do.
God damn it.
Escúpele.
Alright, let's try this one. They're real bills, guys. Don't worry.
Hit the aquí, like get the dollar bill and go like this. Míralo.
Lo rompo a la mitad.
If it don't work, we jumped the guy that was working here.
Can I see it real quick, sir? It's aquí. Por eso. Do it here, where you can fold it all of it.
Perfect. I know what I'm doing.
Se regresa.
Spring brain. Antes de que el sol evapore toda el agua que le echamos. We're back. ¿Tienes el foam, right?
¿Te hizo el chates?
Yeah. No me digas que no jala la pinche máquina del foam. Sí.
Oh, hell yeah.
Luego para el hombre quieren verse así me quemo. Hace la prueba de fuego, haz de cuenta soy de acero. Antes me hacían a un lado, ahora soy el mero bueno. Pensaban que no podía, pero les puse el ejemplo.
Okay.
Let me get my increments right. Candy paint rims, all up in my rims. Posted up, swingers dropping down, they make spins. All these people hating, trying to look me in my fins. Motherfuckers hating, trying to see where I'm is. 1, 2, 3, 4 bitches on my dick. Posted up, swinging, shooting motherfuckers in. Alright, that's it.
Get the hair.
So what you think about the truck?
Man, simple and clean. That's all I gotta say.
Hey, B. Hey, bro, so on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think about the truck?
It's alright.
I said on a scale of 1 to 10. I said on the scale from 1 to 10.
Can we say it in a private place? I don't want Juan in here. Alright, you want me to go around showing you?
Yeah, go ahead,
Alright, I'll start right here.
No. We don't show that. We don't show that. Damn.
My bad.
Supposed to show the good parts.
Okay. Alright, first off, show you right here. Good owner.
Good owner.
Around there. Tinted.
Tint.
So you can fuck her in the ass right there.
Whoa, they can't see nothing in there.
I mean, so the cops won't see you having too much fun.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? And then, let's start off with the color scheme. Right? Black with a little bit of metallic.
Gold trims. I mean, silver trims.
Yeah, perfect. Metallic.
Right.
Metallic.
Right.
Sound more classic.
Yeah,
Right?
it sounds more like expensive, but yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the charcoal color with metallic. Fits perfectly. Right?
Okay.
If you can see right here. Oh, beautiful right here. Let's see the other side.
That's it for this side. All right, so look, real quick, I'm gonna stop you.
Oh, okay.
What do you think about this sticker right here?
Oh, yeah, everything?
I mean the decal. My bad.
I would like to say treat others the way you want to be treated, right? So, no comment.
No comment.
With the tail lights, they're nice. Perfect mint condition.
Okay. I like to see that.
But that's the fact that 5.3 Vortec Max.
All right.
Thank you for watching.
Hey, you never rated it though. What the fuck?
Oh, my bad.
On a scale from 1 to 10, what would be your honest rating on this truck? Let me find out. Guess.
Yes. Now, okay. Put everything in perspective.
Right.
Even the motor.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah.
Hold up. Let me ask a question. Sir? Your truck? What is it for? Is it show or performance?
Los dos.
Made your rating go low. Alright, for performance, I got that V8. Oh, right here. 4 out of 10. It's not that fast. But
Right.
it's fast.
Right. Okay.
Give it a 5.
Okay.
Give it a
Let's give it a 5.
Nah, performance.
It has the right equipment to have good potential.
Yeah.
So
You gotta
yeah.
modify it though.
Yeah.
Alright, now for performance, for show, it's drop black, so that's nice. That's 2 points right there out of 10. Right, it does need the rims as of right now. Right.
Keep in mind that they used to have some 24s. 24
I'm
snowflakes.
reading it right now.
Right.
Right.
You're right.
Snowflakes makes it look cool. But
Yeah, I mean, but look, think about it. With the snowflakes, it was more lifted because there was some big ass rims.
I know 24. Yeah.
Right now it's on cookies, so that's why it looks even lower.
Yeah. I know. That's what I'm saying right now. Then.
All right, go ahead.
I'm looking. If I had to rate this truck, no cap, a 5. 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10, Juan.
Lo mando caminando para atrás, ¿no?
Sí, güey, comienza a caminar. Vámonos.
Hold up.
Vámonos.
Hold up. But it got potential. But it got potential. That person right there is gonna give it the better potential. Right? So look. It just got a new radiator. Fix the exhaust leak. Once it gets the tires.
I mean, the rims?
No, because, well, obviously he's going to get bigger tires, too.
Right. Bigger tires or smaller tires?
Bigger tires.
Why would he get bigger tires?
What do you mean?
If he's gonna get bigger rims, why would he get bigger tires? You know what I mean? Smaller tires?
No, well, not thicker. I'm talking about, like,
Wider.
no, well, the length.
All right, go ahead.
It's
Go
going to
ahead.
look bigger. Because the tires are not, no, the tires are not wider. No, width. You know what I mean, though.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry, guys. He hasn't gone to school in like 3
3 years. Okay,
Just have patience with him.
he's going to get 24s. Right? That's what I'm going to say. Just keep it simple.
Right.
We're gonna get 24s, make it look clean, and the new rims, make it look clean, right? And then I bump it up to a 6.
God, then you got fucking high expectations.
Shit, I'm gonna show you a video
About what?
of a whole ass modified engine.
Well, that's different, dude.
That's not different.
That's different.
That's performance and show.
That's dudes with money, bro. Sure.
Fuck all that negative shit. Come over here. All black. That's all you need. Tinted. That's all you need.
Right.
Go over. Just drop. Come over here. Come over here. Oh, my bad.
One more
That's it
time.
right there. One more time.
One more time.
Houston Wood.
See that? It's reflective.
Reflective.
I give it a good 7.
Alright, I like to hear that. Honest reviews, right? Honest reviews.
That's a broke.
Let's start recording him. Start getting him camera time. So, if you were to recommend him some rims, what would you want him? What would you like to see on this truck?
Actual rims.
No shit, Sherlock. Or like, do you know about rims or not?
Nah, not really.
Do you know about rims or not?
No, but I would like some 22.
Some intros? Heard. Alright, so, real quick. So if you were to want to put some rims on your truck, what would be your, not ideal, but like, let's say your dream set?
Some intros.
Some intros, what size?
24s in the front y atrás unos 26s.
26 is big lip or what?
Yeah, 515.
That's my shirt.
We're talking about the shirt, nigga.
It's my shirt, it's my shirt.
No, that was my shirt.
It's my shirt. Hey, dásela, dile que se la ponga, Ponte la camisa.
I'll be $5 for that one. How much it cost?
Damn, it's crazy to think that this motherfucker right here used to fit into that shirt. And let's not talk about muscle, cause
Masa?
masa, not muscles, masa.
Masa. All I want to say, if you put a Hemi on it, ho. Right, hear me out. Put a Hemi on it, ho. Straight pipe this. Is it straight pipe?
No,
We'll straight pipe this, ho. Okay, well, fuck it. Straight pipe this, ho.
no, straight pipe is gonna be too loud. He doesn't want loud anymore.
It already sounds like
He wants loud, but with a good exhaust.
You don't want loud no more?
Hey, right? You don't want it straight pipe no more. Oh,
See? Around it. It'll be out of shape. Okay. Put a Hemi on there. All right, let's talk Chevy, because, you know, this is Chevy. Fuck it. Flip this hoe into a 6.2 supercharged. Right? Well, keep the same length. I like the way it has dropped. Míralo. My bad. I got that. Right?
yeah, I gotta remember, bro. The reason he's sweating is because we're in Houston and we're at 108 right now. Yeah, we're at 108. It might have gone down 1 or 2, but.
I don't feel like it.
And record me real quick. And you gotta realize, it might say it's 108, but if you live in Houston, you know that it's not just heat, it's humidity. That's right. So it feels even worse. That's right. In a fucking camera.
El amor a mí ha llegado, el amor a mí ha llegado, pero ella me abusó. El amor a mí ha llegado, el amor a mí ha llegado, pero ella me abusó. ¿Será que tu amor ha sido tan diferente? ¿Será que mi error ha sido confiar en ti? Y yo te sigo buscando entre tanta gente, pensando en ti diariamente, me queda decirte así. Por tu amor quiero decirte que loco estoy y que por ser tan confiado, cambiaste conmigo. Solo estoy, la noche se hace más larga así, no me la paso pensando que cambiaste conmigo.
Alright guys, so basically this is gonna be the outro for the video. When we were over there at the car wash, I didn't really end up doing an outro. I just kind of rolled the clip to where we were leaving. So yeah, basically all we ended up doing was driving in, doing the little car wash. I mean, in the beginning of the video, I can see where my brother took it to get the exhaust leak fixed over there at Houston Muffler Shop. But yeah, basically just closing out this video.
Hit that like button.
Yeah.
Leave a comment. Subscribe.
Yeah, so whatever y'all feel like y'all want to see me doing, type of videos y'all want to see me recording, make sure y'all leave a comment on what y'all think I should do or what y'all would like to see me do. If y'all like the video, make sure y'all give it a like. Share it if y'all want. It's totally up to y'all. But I just want to go ahead and close out this video. So yeah.